Hi everyone, this is Louise from 805 Soap. I'm back and I'm going to be doing some melt and pour today, and this is for camellia. So I'm going to show you how I mix my colors. My colors come dry like this, and I put them in baby jars. And what I'm going to be doing today is that I'm going to take it and I'm going to put them in a paper cup. And this is a really works well for me if anybody's using micas. And all you do is spritz it with 70 proof rubbing alcohol. And I wanted a little bit of a purple color, so I mixed the blue and the pink and make it liquidy and swish it around and then add it in there. So I do a little bit at a time. I don't like to do a lot, and I measure by I use 1/8 of a teaspoon when I measure, so it's about 1/8 of a teaspoon per pound, just for me. But if you'd like to use more, that's strictly up to you. I like to keep my colorants so that they don't bleed on the towels or products when people use them. But there you go, turned a nice purple. And these are micas. I just got some micas from the conservatory. I don't know if anybody's familiar with that, but I'm really liking them a lot. So, but anyways, today this is my China Rain, and we're gonna do China Rain in a beautiful purple color. Oh, that's so pretty. So in goes my fragrance oil. And here's my mold. I don't want this too hot because I don't want it to melt my embeds. And you know how that can be. That just, but again, here's the purple. So these colors are vibrant. And I just spritz it with alcohol to knock the bubbles down. And then I'm going to pour it on top. I'm going to knock some of those bubbles. And then I got some little curlies here for the top. It's really windy in California. It's been so windy here. I hate it. But hopefully it'll calm down by tomorrow. It's really been windy. And what I do to secure that is I just keep mixing this up and I pour a little bit on top. Yips, a little bit too much. It's okay. Get some glitter. And it's dripping all over, but it's okay. I don't do it often, but that's my China Rain soap. And I hope that helped with the colorants. Like I said, for me, I use the dry colorants. And then I mix them together with the alcohol, and I use, it's 1/8 of a teaspoon. So that's what I use to measure my colorants, and you get a really, it's a pretty good dark, if you can see it in here, it's a pretty good dark purple. So anyways, I just thought I'd share, and have a great day, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.